3 police officers were injured in a gun battle with local residents allegedly engaged in unauthorized land survey and distribution of tokens near Gurei residential area on Thursday. Police spokesperson Major General Daniel Justin said residents of the area resisted demolition of the illegally surveyed land as ordered by the Commissioner of Juba, Charles Joseph Wani. Daniel Justin said police officers were deployed to protect engineers tearing down shanty shelters owned by illegal landowners when they fought the angry locals in the northwestern part of Juba. Some locals, those chiefs, were distributing land there, and then the order for the demolition came out, and our forces were there to protect the engineers executing the demolition, he said. So they resisted, and then fight broke out between our forces and the residents, especially the chiefs who were actually distributing the land. The police official told iRadio that 2 suspects have been apprehended and a case has been opened at Kubriaboba police station. Conflicts related to land grabbing and unlawful allotment of land are frequently reported in the capital, Juba. The clashes, which turn deadly sometimes, involve security forces and land grabbers, rival land grabbers, and even members of the military in Juba's suburbs. Last weekend, Juba County authorities told iRadio that 2 army officers were arrested for illegally printing and selling fake land tokens to the public. Another related incident was 4 months ago, when residents of Jondoru area, west of Juba, clashed with land grabbers resulting in score injuries. Several plot owners also fought with land grabbers in Core William area, Garbo among others, in the last 3 years. General Justin said the situation is calm after a visit of Inspector General of Police, Lieutenant General Majak Akech, and the Commissioner of Juba County.